In this video, I'm going to show you how to make another Roblox account and to log into both of the accounts at the same time. So to go and play two different Roblox accounts at the same time, the first thing we need to do is head over to the Roblox website, click on the settings wheel in the top right hand side and press settings. Now the first thing you want to ensure is that you have an email address registered to your account, and you also need to ensure that you know the password for the account. Obviously, if you don't know the password, you can just go and send a recovery to your registered email. So now from here, we can go and sign out of our first account, and the first thing we're going to do is create our second account. So from this window here, you can just go and click don't have an account, press sign up. And now you can fill out all of the steps to go and create your second account. Now I already have a second account that I've created, so I'm just going to press login in the top right hand side, and you can go and sign back in to your account. Now to go and sign into two Roblox accounts at the same time, then this is what you'll need to do. So the very first thing is go and open up an internet browser, type in Roblox download and press enter, and then click on this top website here. Click on the download Windows app, and then you'll need to click on this installation file in the top right hand side. Now you can just go through the steps while Roblox installs onto your computer. So once you've installed this, you can go and log in to your first Roblox account. Now to go and sign into your second account, what we need to do is go and open up the start menu on your computer, search for Microsoft Store and click on this, and then use the search box at the top here to go and search for Roblox. Click on Roblox, which is this top one here, and then just go and press install. Give that a couple of seconds while it installs a second Roblox client to your computer. And now you can see we have two different Roblox clients open at the same time. So on this second client, you can just go and sign in with your second account, and we can now play two different accounts at the same time on our computer.